This next song is from an older album. It's called Little Bird, and I put it out in 2018. But more recently, me and some of my band members traveled down to Nashville and did a session with these folks called Our Vinyl, and we reimagined 4 songs that were on the previous album and did a different arrangement of them. So that's out now. You can see the live video, and then the live recording is also on all streaming services. So please check that out. I like it better than the original, probably just because I'm sick of it, but it's a new, like, fresh version, and yeah, go check that out. In that